What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Strickelsfeld Training. I'm so excited because I have Coach Greg here, and we're gonna have an awesome chair cardio workout that's gonna tone your arms. Give us a flex.
There we go.
Gotta do it.
What about this?
It's happening.
What about that?
It's happening right now. You guys know the deal. We're gonna go through all the exercises and then do a workout together. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna have Coach Greg seated.
Let's
We're
do it.
started with marching, okay? So this is a really low impact cardio workout. So marching, just straight up, just knees coming straight up, keeping yourself in that 90-degree angle with your knees and keeping your back nice and straight and your core nice and tight as you come up, good. It's a really small movement. The smaller the movement and the tighter the core, the better it's gonna be for your core because it's compressing really small muscles down in your groin. The next one is arm circles, so forward and backwards. So coming out, we've got a little bit of an injury with Coach Greg. So if anybody has injuries with shoulder injuries,
be careful.
you know, make sure when you come into your arm circles, you come up and then over and out, almost like a monkey pump, okay? So forward and backwards, noticing that his hands are closed and he's going about, you know, maybe a baseball size circle.
A little baseball.
Okay, you go forward, and then as you go backwards and you get bigger in circles, you're gonna start getting more of your back and your chest as you move. So I'm gonna move you through a bunch of different variations of this while we're doing the exercise. Then next can be side bends. So straight over the top and this coming side, making sure you're extending up and then to the side. It's gonna be a really small movement. You wanna slow it down, and as you reach, you're gonna reach up and over, and then here, and then come up, and then reach this elbow up to the sky.
Up to the sky.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
All the way up.
All the way up to the sky. Good. Side bends, and then we're gonna do an overhead press. So from here, pressing straight up. Yep, same thing, entering in. How is that on your shoulders?
Oh,
back here?
feels immaculate. Feels so good.
So as you're doing this, pinch your shoulders back, shoulder blades back, like a pencil.
Gotcha.
There we go.
Can't even do that.
There we go, right here. We're perfect. So notice how it's pinching here. So he's got a lot of muscle here. So what happens is we can't pinch. We need to pinch from our backs, not our shoulders, right? So it's really great for people that don't necessarily understand how to do that. What you can do is just come here and pinch your shoulders straight back. Perfect, just like that. Now have your hands come up. Now reach, right there, good. So now bring your arms down and now reach back up, perfect. So if you were to see, he is pinching my hand in between his shoulder blades every time he's coming down now, which is exactly what you wanna do, just a small adjustment in your overhead press. Next is just gonna be a boxer punch. So just straight across, about 30 seconds, okay? So when we're doing this, try and extend and move your core across your body this way. So ready? Moving across and keeping your hips in place. So you're moving your upper body while stabilizing your hips, so it's really gonna give you that oblique rotation. Good. So those are your exercises. Let's get to it. We're going 30 seconds apiece, back to back. We're starting with marching. I'm gonna do a couple of these with you, and I'm also gonna cue Greg. So we're gonna get started in 3, 2, 1, and go. So as you march, stay nice and tall. You can see a little bit of a difference. If you have a lot of muscle structure in your back and in your core, it's hard to get your knee up. So you need to stabilize and push straight up with those knees driving them straight up towards your nose. Good. 15 seconds, lifting, and it's not a big movement. Not a very big movement, but it's a lot of stabilization in your core and in your hips. Good, keep moving through.
You're doing
Good.
it.
7 seconds, 6, there you go, 5, 4, good. 3, how are your hips?
Oh,
2,
they feel tight, but they're gonna loosen up real quick.
Good, last one. Okay, good, now we're gonna go arm circle, straight out. No rest here because we went straight from marching. So small circles, good. So about baseball size, we're going 15 seconds here and then we're gonna switch backwards. So notice here too, pulling these arms a little bit back, keeping your core in, belly button to your spine, chest up, shoulders back, chin up. Good, in that commanding position. Good, and then switch backwards. Good. So he's still pinching my arm here. So that's perfect because you're gonna be working from your center point rather than from your hands back in towards your core. Good. 5, 4, good. 3, 2, 1, good. Now we're switching to those side bends. So reaching, really reaching up and over, reaching up and over. Good, really stretching, trying to extend that lat from the back of your elbow. Okay, I'm gonna adjust Greg 1 second. Look up a little bit. There we go. Now look up, keep that chin nice and tall. Good, let's go 3 more, good. 3, when you adjust your chin, what happens? What do you feel?
I feel good, but I feel more back.
Yeah, more in your core,
Yep.
more stabilization, good.
Yep.
2 more, last one, and reach, good. Now we're going overhead press right away. So stay there, good. Bring them in and then press and make sure that you're pulling back here and squeezing. Good, good, good. So when you guys are doing this, slow it down. Make sure you're squeezing that pencil. When you come up, you're coming back and down and squeeze. So from here, up, and then squeezing that pencil back down. Up, squeeze that pencil in between your shoulder blades so you really get that extension like a balloon is pulling you up to the ceiling, up to the sky. Good. Squeeze, come back up. Let's go 3 more. Down, 2, and 1. And then hold that there and really feel your shoulder blades pinch together. Bring your hands forward, right? And then you can come out of it, right? And then come down, good. So that's gonna prevent any shoulder injuries because you're not just kind of flailing around with your shoulders. Next, boxer punches. Here we go.
Let's go.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna be rotating a little bit more here. So I'm really keeping my core over top of my hips. I'm trying to rotate to get a little bit more obliques. Really extend up and turn. Keeping your core nice and tight as you twist across your body. Let's go 10 seconds, really push here.
Here we go.
This will get your heart pumping a little bit more.
My heart's pumping.
Yeah, mine is too. Now here we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Always the best one. Punch it out and then stand and stretch straight back.
Ooh.
Stretch straight back.
It's feeling
Okay.
good.
Get ready for that second round. So remember, when we're marching, when we're sitting, you've got to maintain good posture. So posture is one thing that we're gonna work on just in between these sets. So when you're sitting, feet nice and flat, straight in front of you, chest up, shoulders back, and you don't want to be sitting like this. I have great posture, everybody. Right, I have great posture. Now you want to pull your shoulders back, but comfortably. Chest up, pulling them back, and just sitting nice and right. If you do this, and you keep your head pulled up towards the sky, you'll have perfect posture. It'll help your core a lot develop with the other times that you're not actually working out. All right. How you feeling, Coach Greg?
I'm feeling good. We get
Start
to round
with
2 right
marching
here.
round 2. Ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, and go. Good. Straight up, and see if you can almost think about lifting from your hip. Good.
Come on, hip, lift that knee.
Lift from the hip flexor. So from here, so that you get more of that core rather than just trying to lift from your knee. Good. 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 Maybe hands behind the. Can you go hands behind the head?
Of course.
There you go. Perfect. Good. Nice. Chest up and back. Gaze is nice and tall. Good. Let's go 5 more. Really think about crunching as you come forward, but only crunching inside, but internally crunching. 3, 2, 1, and just stand nice and tall. Now we're going arm circles. Ready? So let's go bigger. We're gonna go soccer ball size forward. And my hands are gonna be open, palms facing away from Greg. This is gonna give you a little bit more lats as you move through this exercise. So you can notice it's probably going all the way down my side here. Okay, in 5 seconds, we're gonna switch backwards. We're gonna be going into soccer ball size backwards. 3, 2, 1, and switch. Still think about that pencil in between your shoulder blades. Core nice and tight, chest up, shoulders back, chin nice and level. 3, 2, good, 1, and down, right into side bend. So from here, reaching and reach. Reach, push up from this elbow up to the sky. And if that's too hard for you, what I want you to do is stay here and reach, hand down and reach. Greg's still doing that, and I'm gonna show you this modified version from here. And then you're really reaching so you can actually get that extension. Good. Good job, everybody. Keep it up. Really reach and drive that elbow up to the sky. Good. 3, 2, 1, and release your chest.
Ooh, feels good.
Yeah, feels good, right? Really release your head so it comes up to the sky because you don't want to be down, right? This is great posture. It'll keep your elevation nice high with your chin as well. So let's go next exercise, overhead press. Ready, coming in, and really pulling back. There you go, good. A lot better with your shoulder, Coach Greg. Too.
Oh, thank you.
Does it help your shoulder?
Yes, 100%.
So when you pinch your shoulder blades, it's gonna help the front of your shoulder and also your deltoids not be in pain from moving forward and back out of that plane of motion. Good. Really take your time, press, and breathe out. Drive those elbows down towards your butt like wings. Good. Let's go 3 more. Breathe. 3, 2, last one's the best one, and 1, squeeze. Now we're going right into punches. So rotating in 3, 2, 1, and punching. Really thinking about extending your arm the entire way, stabilizing with your core as you come across your body. Making sure your head is nice and tall and it's not facing down. You got great posture. Good job, everybody. Let's go 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Come to a standing position. Woo! Round 2 in the books. What do you think? You ready for another round?
I say why not? Let's just do it.
I think we should do it. So you guys
Right
are
into
loving
it.
this right now. You can utilize all these exercises anywhere. You just need a little bit of a bench or a ledge, anything. So let's do another round just because I know you want to and we can. So why not? So let's do that third round. 30 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Really think about this last round. Marching where you can hit a target. Good. Hit that target and make sure that you're consistent with that. Don't go above what you think you can do at this moment if you're fatigued. I want you to push, but not to hurt yourself. Good. Good. Focus on this last round here. 10 seconds. Reaching. Now sit back a little bit when you do this and lift your knees and see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
A lot more core, right? A lot more core as you move through this. Good. 3, 2, 1, and down. Now we're going palms open. We're gonna do a little bit of mix up for you guys.
Oh, let's go.
Palms open.
Change it up.
Soccer balls forward. Okay. A little bit of bend in the elbow. There you go. Good. Pressing your shoulders forward and your arms are that conduit. Good job. Good. Nice. Rotating forward. Feel that rotation in the shoulders.
I
Good.
feel
Good.
it.
There you go. Good. Good. And then switch backwards. Same soccer ball size. Arms open like you're serving a plate.
Ooh.
Good. Nice. Good. Pinch those shoulder blades every time. 10, 9, 8, 7. Good. 6. Keep it nice and tall. 5. Or you can even sit back, get a little bit more core. 3, 2, 1, and down. Good. Shake it out. Side bends. Ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna do that modified so you guys can see the real reach from that elbow. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Reaching and reaching all the way up to the sky with that opposite elbow, really stretching up and back. Good. Focus on keeping your chin and your gaze up and just keep moving. Keep moving. If you need to be slow, that's okay. Be intentional with your movements. Drive your elbow up. Let's go 2 more. 1. Last one's always the best one. And 2. Straight into that
yeah.
overhead press. Ready?
Here we go.
Into the hand. Drive it up. Good. Good. Pressing up and really squeezing those shoulder blades when you come down. Good. You got this. How you doing, Coach Greg? How's your shoulder? Is it
Oh,
burning
shoulders
yet?
feeling good.
Woo, on fire right
We
now.
having fun.
Woo! Good, let's do
No
this.
pain, no gain.
Good job, everybody. Little motorcycle. If someone's having fun today, it's okay. It's loud. I know you guys heard that one. Good, let's go 2 more. 1, last one. 2, woo! Okay,
Oh, yeah.
boxing punches. Here we go. 30
go.
seconds.
Finish
3,
strong.
2, 1, and go. You got this. Pressing across and rotating. Now lean back a little bit as you rotate. A lot of your obliques. You can open up your stance a little bit, get a little bit more of a footing, and rotate. Because what we're doing is obliques, right? I'm trying to target your obliques at the same time as giving you great posture. So if I'm sitting here doing it, it's the same motion, but I'm trying to keep you guys upright so we're developing posture and back strength as well. Good. 5 seconds. Push. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Yes. Done.
That felt
Good work.
very good.
That was an awesome chair workout, arm toning workout. I had a good time. Greg had a good time. Hope you guys had a good time. If you loved it, share this video and I'll see you guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Let's go.